Hello, mabuhay! Welcome to exciting Bicol. Today we're gonna do a travel vlog again with Oragon Bicol guide. So our destinations today is the Miro de Shei in Camalig, Albay. Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Froilan, your Oragon Bicol guide. So as of now, we are here at Miro de Shei. It's an agritourism farm located in Salugan, Camalig, Albay. Miro de Shei is open for anyone who loves nature, plantitos or plantitas, and especially to those who loves organic farming. There's a wide place where you can stay inside Miro de Shei with your friends and family. They're also open for any special occasion like birthday and party. So we are now here inside the Miro de Shei. So Miro de Shei is composed of 7 hectares, but I think only 3 to 4 hectares are developed. So inside the farm, there are organic vegetable, and there are also flowering plants. Hello, we are here at the Maize Flower Garden at Miro de Shei. So this is one of the exciting activities that you can experience here. So come and let's play. Aside from Maize Garden, there are also Sunflower, Grotto, Tunnel Garden are the highlights inside the Miro de Shei farm. Organic farming is one of the main focus in Miro de Shei. They open a farm school where they cater students from TESDA. Thank you for watching. I'm your virtual tour guide, Froilan Oragon. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Bicol Tour Guide.